Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you download files on WPS Office app. So for that, you want to make sure that you already have an account and then go ahead and log into your WPS Office. Once you get started or log into your account, click the create button at the bottom of the page. Then you want to go ahead and select whether you want to go with the docs, PPT, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and simply create docs and select the template. Let's say this is the one. Once the template is ready, you just click on use now and go ahead and start preparing your document. Now that you are done with the creation of your document, click the icon located in the top right next to the done button. Once you do it so or press on it, you could go ahead and save the file. You could go ahead and select the location accordingly. So click the arrow icon from the top and select whether you want to go ahead and select it to you want to go ahead and download it or save it to PDF or whatever sort of document you want. Select that and click on export to PDF. Once you've done it, so you could see export PDF successfully. Now in order to view it, so click on view once and click the next button. Now you want to go to your file where it has actually been saved and you could go ahead and download from the particular one. So this is how you could go ahead and download WPS Office file. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.